the parent is going to accept it. But sometimes, but only the parent is going to accept when you say the good qualities of that girl. Why you want to marry such kind of person? Yes or no? In the same way, your life is also the same thing. You have to justify what you want. Maybe many of your parents might think like this: I want only my son or daughter to do a job, not a business. So in that case, is how you are going to justify your thought. Because many of the parents are like, don't want to take the risks. Yes or no? So when the parents don't want to take risks, they'll stop you to do your business. But how you are going to justify? Dad, I know about this business very well. I have done a proper research. I have proper funding. I have everything. So let me go and do it. When you give all the points why you have to start, automatically your parents will accept it. Yes or no? But it will take a little bit of more time, but still if you have the convincing skills. What did I say? Convincing skills. For example, you want a bicycle. Let's suppose, if you want a bicycle, you will be asking your father or your mother, and they will be giving n number of reasons. So at that moment, what you're going to do? You'll cry. And what you're going to do? Asking. Request. You do that. So these all go ahead with. That's sweet. You will touch the feet. Okay, fine. So something or the other you're going to do it. Yes? To convince them. Right? So those soft skills are going to make you be in that job. Got it? So when you have proper soft skills, nobody is going to replace you people. Okay? So now, the rise of AI and the need of prompt engineering. How many of you know about prompt engineering? None of you? Okay, good. So the prompt engineering is very simple. How many of you know about AI tools? ChatGPT. How many of you know about ChatGPT? Okay, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Tesla. Okay. So you guys know about ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, if you ask something to this ChatGPT, do you think ChatGPT is going to give the best answer? So when the ChatGPT is going to give the best answer? When it knows. You know, ChatGPT is going to be fed with 2 trillion of data every day. 2 trillion of data. It's not a small thing, it's very huge. So in that time, when it has a huge knowledge, so how can you say that if it knows it, it will tell you, or if it doesn't know, it won't. ChatGPT knows everything. But the way you ask it matters a lot. If you don't know how to ask, ChatGPT is not going to give you any of the information. But if you know how to ask, ChatGPT is a very best friend for you, which gives you all information, your math problems, or your business ideas, or your marketing strategies, everything is done